welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about just the next couple of systems that'll be rolling through most likely, what is the end of this? Yeah, the day before Thanksgiving is when this model run ends. This is the European model. We talked about the next few systems on the GFS side of things just a couple of days ago. Now, this is the European angle, so without further ado, let's get right into it. So, right now we're dealing with this Clipper system, which is moving through the northeast as we speak. And that will move out, bringing in a pocket of cold air to the northeast. That pocket of cold air lasts for a little bit, as the next major system is a Canadian system, with most of the snow being in the very northern tier of the U.S., but mostly in Canada. There's a line of thunderstorms that develops on the southern side as a cold front sets up with some very frigid air behind it. That's that frigid air that we were talking about yesterday. As that moves into the northeast, you can see some thunderstorms with some snow and mixed precipitation on the backside. And that moves off the coast, bringing in another pocket of cold air to the northeast. Our next system is a little bit more disorganized, and you can see here that it rolls through more of a Canadian system as well, but you have this upper level low on the backside, and that will swing into the northeast as two new low pressures form off or close to the coast, and could bring in a decent amount of snowfall to the northeast, as well as cold as far south. You can see those blue lines as Georgia. So very cold temperatures coming in behind that, as you basically have, let's count all of the cold fronts. So you have the initial cold front, which is right in here. Then you have a secondary cold front, which comes in with that low pressure system that forms off the coast. Then you have a third one with this new low pressure system that forms close to Philadelphia in Pennsylvania. And that all moves through, bringing in cold air and some snow. So in terms of snowfall, let's just take a quick look at all of that. And you can see as this all loads. Alright. So toward the end of this model run, you can see that some areas, especially in the interior northeast, could very well see over a foot of snow in the next week and a half, pretty much. We are closing in on Thanksgiving, and in that time, we could see over a foot in parts of the interior northeast and the Appalachians. And you could also see over a foot of snow in the Rockies, as pretty usual. And then in other areas, including parts of the coastal northeast and in the Great Lakes regions, you could definitely see 6 inches of snow or less. Some areas won't see much snow at all, including Boston, but New York, Philadelphia could see less than an inch to an inch. DC could see multiple inches. So, the snow is coming. It's just a matter of when and how much. As you can see with this model run here, and this is only one model run, things have been changing, so nothing is solidified. But this model run is showing a very decent amount of snow from one system, one or two systems in the interior northeast, whereas other models haven't. So we just have to keep watching this, see how it all progresses. But that is the current model run. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like, subscribing, and hitting the bell. I'll see you guys next time.